Alright, welcome to my class today. We are going to try binary operation as we discuss the whole concept of binary operation in properties of real numbers. We are just going to take one example which will cover most things that we tried in properties of real numbers. So the question is, the operation star is defined as m star n equal m plus n plus mn. So the first question says A, evaluate I 3 star 4. So here first I 3 star what 4, and it's going to be what? Here you know that your m star n, don't forget this, m star n. So your m is what? 3 plus n, which is what? 4, plus mn, which is 3 times what? N, which is 4. So you have m plus n plus m dot n, that is mn. So here your 3 star 4 is 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 3 times 4 is what? 12. So 3 plus 7 plus 12 is 19. Good. So I are going to do what? 4 star 3. They are reversing it back. So m star n. So your m is what? 4 here. Your n is 3. So m plus n, which is 4 plus 3 plus mn. M is 4 times what? Your n is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus what? 4 times 3 is 12. 7 plus 12 is still 19. So check the answers. Check the answers here. So the next question, I. Compare your answer in I to what? I. So compare this answer in I to I. What property is that? So which property are they using? So when you get A, so if m star n is equal to n star m, then which property is that? Is what? Commutative. I hope you've not forgotten. Commutative property. So here, the property is commutative because I told you A star B equal B star A. So m star n equal n star what? M. And that is commutative. So let's go to the next one. Show that 1 times into bracket 3 times 5 equals 1 times 3. Sorry, let me edit this question again. Let me make the question look small. So it is not a normal multiplication, as you know, a star. So 1 star into bracket 3 star 5 equal 1 star 3 times what? 5. So let's try. The first one, let's try the left hand side. 1 star into bracket 3 star what? 5. Let's try this. So here let's do 3 star 5 first. And it's going to 3 plus 5 plus what? 3 times 5. So 3 plus 5 is what? 8 plus 3 times 5 is 15. I hope you are aware. So 15 plus 8 is 20 what? 3. Good. Now we are going to do 1 star. You know that the answer for 3 star 5 is what? 20 what? 3. Don't forget. This is 23. We are having it here. So this is going to be 1 plus 23. That is what? M star n. It's going to be what? 1 plus 23 plus 1 times what? 23. So 1 plus 23 is 24 plus 1 times 23 is still 23. So 24 plus 23 is what? 47. So mark this answer somewhere. Store it somewhere. You are not going to even clean everything. You are just going to do the next one here. Of course, the same thing. M star n equal m plus n plus mn. Good. So we are done with the right hand side. So here our right hand side, our left hand side, 1 star 3 star 5, we add what? The final answer is what? 47. Good. Let's try the right hand side, which is what? 1 times 3 into brackets times the star 5, right? So let's try 1 star 3, and it's going to be m star n as it is here. So m is what? 1 plus n is 3 plus m, which is 1, and n, which is 3. 1 plus 3 is what? 4 plus what? 1 times 3 is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. So here 1 star 3 is going to give us what? 7. Hope you are okay. Then let's try. You see, it is 1 star 3 star what? 5. So if 1 star 3 star what? 5. So 1 star 3 is giving us what? 7. So we are going to have 7 star what? 5. So instead of writing 1 star 3, we've been able to simplify. The next question is, what property is that? So don't forget about that aspect. So 7 star 5 is 7 plus 5, that is m star n, don't forget, plus m, which is 7 times 5, that is mn, m plus n, yes, mn, good. So 7 plus 5 is going to give us 12, plus 7 times 5 is 35, 5, 7, 35. So here 2 plus 5 is 7, 1 plus 3 is 4. So this is also going to get us 47. So don't forget that here we are also getting 1 star 3 star 5. You're having the answer to what? 47. Don't forget. Here 1 star 3 star 5, you add 47, and this side too, where is it? 1 star 3 star 5 to add what? 47. So you can see that, if we want to conclude, we can conclude by saying 1 star 3 star 5 is indeed equal to 1 star 3 star what? 5. And we've been able to prove that. So they're asking, what property is that? Don't forget, I told you all the property that here, if you're having 1 star 3 and you are leaving the 5, and here you are just taking the first 3, 1 and 3. Where is it? Sorry, I think that's 1. Don't forget here, 1 star 3 star 5, you are leaving only the 1, and you are taking the last 2, 3 and 5, and you are taking the 1 and the second, and you are leaving the last. If they are same, the property we use is associative. We are associating this and that. So this question has been able to make us understand associativity and what? Commutativity. So in our next example, we are going to see, sometimes they will tell you compare whether something, an operation star is closed. So it's still binary operation, but we are going to form a table from this.